we are going to learn about categories, products, and finally, product attributes. These are categories. You can call them categories or departments, the same as here. What you see here is also here, okay? If we go to the back end of the website, we click on categories. Here are all the categories, your categories or departments. If you want to add a new category, you put the name. Let's say dog treats. You do the same here, dog treats in lower case. A description is there's one, and then you click here to upload an image and finally add the new category. For example, I'm going to click on this category so you can see how it is already done. Here's the title. Here's the, they call it slug, and it has some purposes which you won't have any use at this point, but anyway, it's always good to put it in lowercase. And then parent category, you don't have to worry about that unless you have a subcategory, meaning a category under another category. The description right here, and finally the photo. If you go to the store, you will notice one thing, that category is not showing here. It shows here it is, but it doesn't show here. The reason for that is because in that category there are no products. So when there are no products, the category will not show here. But if you go to the category here, by clicking on the link, here's the description that you see here. And once you start uploading products to this category, then they will show here. So that's category. Now, products. We click on all products. Here are all your products. I'm going to click on one, adding a new product. Let me start by saying, if you want to add a new product, just click on add new, and you will see all the different fields for that product. For example, here goes the name, here goes the description, and then there's a series of fields here. But I'd rather go back and show you one of the products that I have already uploaded. Let me see. We're going to go to this. It's a book. Click on edit. And okay, as you can see, here's the description. I'm sorry, starting with the title, the description. Then, before I get here, down here there's another description. This, you don't need to use it. It's sort of a teaser, like a small paragraph. Let me see if I can find this product so I can show you. Having fun with it. Just the books. Okay. So, having fun. Here it is. As you can see, this is the little teaser that I'm talking about. This little description that goes on this section. And it's not important, I mean it's not necessary, but you can do it. So you got the title, the main description, which is this one that shows in here. Now, next. You're going to be dealing with two types of products, simple products and variable products. The variable product is the one that has attributes such as color or size or texture. Those are variable products, and we'll get into that later. The simple product doesn't have anything, it's just the price, $19.99. Let's suppose that you want to put a sales price let's make it $9.99. I'm going to update this so you see what happens. Now I'm going to that product and I will refresh the page. And here it is. It shows on sale, scratch the $19.99, and now you have $9.99, which is the sale price. So let me correct that, because I don't think you have that for sale. Update it. So that's how that works. You put the sales price here. I'm sorry. There we go. Then taxable or non-taxable, you need to decide. If you choose taxable, the store will automatically define the taxes for you. It's part of the shopping cart, and I don't think that you have to worry about making numbers or percentages. It already does it for you. You don't need to worry about tax class. Inventory. The inventory, the SKU number if you have one. Manage stock. This is what happens with this. When you click on this, you can put a number of products that you have in your warehouse. And what's going to happen is that as you sell products, it will be deducting products. I don't know if it works for you or not, but what happens is that if you put 5 products and you sell products, what's going to happen is that the product is going to show out of stock. So I don't know. It's up to you what you want to do here. The shipping, okay, so we talked about this. You need to specify the weight, let's say 20 pounds, the length, let me see, 10 by 10 by 2 inches, okay, and let me update this so I can show you. So this is what happens when you put this information here and you update. Let's go now to that product. Let me add this product to the cart. I will be transferred now to the checkout section. As you can see, you have the option here now of flat rate, priority mail, and the other priority express, etc. But when you don't have a weight, what's going to happen is that there's going to be a default weight, a default price of $1. So this is why it is so important that you go product by product, put in the weight and the size. I mean, you don't have to be very precise, but it will help your customer. It's going to be better for you because you may be shipping at a flat rate and yet you may be spending more than you're supposed to. So that's for the shipping. Attributes. Okay. Attributes, it's a little bit complicated. To be honest with you, I had a little trouble with it. Someone told me it was easy, but no, it's not really easy, but I'll try to be very simple. Okay? This is how this works. Very well. In order for the attributes to work, you have to convert this product into a variable product. Okay? Now we go to attributes. The next thing we're going to do is add attributes. So we're going to call this sizes, which is something that you don't really have. We're going to click here, use for variation. We don't need to check this. And we're going to add some sizes separated by a comma or dash. Hold on a second, let me see. Sizes, okay, let's put 5, 6, 7, 7.5. Okay, so very well. And I'm going to say these are going to be the prices. Okay, I save this now. You can't think much about this because you're going to complicate yourself too much. Okay, this has been saved. Now, the next thing I will do, I will go into variations. You have to always repeat the step exactly how I'm doing it. You're going to click on Add a variation or create variation from all attributes. I'm going to choose that one. Create variation from all attributes. Click on Go. Okay. So it says here that 4 variations were added. Here they are, size 5, 6, 7, and 12. We're not done yet. Now we have to, here's what happens. Every variation can have different prices. But I'm going to put a price for everything. So I click here. I'm sorry. Why did I do it again? I closed this window. Okay. I click here and then I select set regular prices and click on Go. I'm going to input here the price is going to be, I don't know, $10 just per se. Okay. Click enter. Okay. That's it. Now, if let's suppose that one of these sizes were more expensive, let's say that 7.5 costs more money, we click on the little arrow here. It opens all these fields here. Don't worry so much about so much information. Just when it says regular price, we're going to change that to $15. That's it. Now, save. So let's see if we did this the correct way. I'm going to update this product and I'm going to go and see if I did this the right way. This is in DVDs and books. I believe it's this one. Actually, I think I did it because as you can see here, it's telling you that this product can cost between $10 to $15. Remember that we chose to put the size 7 at $15. So when I click on it, here's the option. You won't be able to buy anything if you don't select an option. If you select option 5, the price is $10. While if you select 7.5, there we go. And once you add this to the cart, then the whole information is going to display. There you have it. $15, the shipping, tax. Well, I guess we don't have the tax defined, but if we did, it will be here. So that's how, actually this was the part that I was very concerned with because it took me a couple of days to learn because this is a new format that we're using and it was a head breaker, but it's not that difficult. Just like I said, first you create the attributes, then you go to variables, variations, and then that's all there is to it. Now, there's nothing more about the product except that you have to choose what category this product belongs to. So here you can see all the categories. This one belongs in DVDs and books. Here, product image, you will click and you will select from your computer, because I'm assuming if you put in a new product, a new image is not going to be here. And then you will set product image, it will show here. And if you want to add additional images, then you just click on Add Product Gallery Images. And there you have it. You can select One, two. By holding the shift, you can select multiple images and then you add them to the gallery. So I think that this is pretty much all you need to know about this shopping cart. If you have any questions, please call me, send me an email. I'll find a solution for you right away. And we'll be in contact. Let me erase what I did here for you. I guess this is all you need to know. It's very simple. Your website is based on pages and the section with the shopping cart. Nothing else that you need to worry about.